Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to switch columns to rows in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Excel? You can find Excel on Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store, search for Excel, and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the application. I'd like you to know that once you download the application, your account is going to be automatically created for you, provided that you have already signed in to your Microsoft account. Now, once you download the app and you open it, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to switch columns to rows in Excel. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to highlight all the rows that we want to switch to a column, or highlight the columns that you want to switch to a row. So first off, let's do highlighting the rows that we want to switch to a column. So this is the row, so I'm just going to click on the entire F. So this is the F row. So right click and copy. Now that you've copied, click on another cell. So you're going to click on another cell. Let's say this is the cell I want to click on. So in this cell, the next thing that you like to do is to, of course, right click. Let's say this is another cell, that's 12B12. So right click and click on paste special. Head over to paste special and use this extended menu and select paste special. And it takes you here. You're going to really have to transpose. So click on transpose. After selecting transpose, go ahead and click on OK. You can paste this here because the copy area and paste area aren't the same size. So select just one cell in the paste area or an area that's the same size and try pasting again. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that again. Okay, let's select a row. So let's say this is a row that I want to select, that is like the B6. I'm just going to click on that and the entire row is selected. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on copy. And I'm going to head over here to another cell, that's 12. Right click. And in my right clicking, I'm going to head over to paste. All right. Let's go over that again. Copy. 12. Right click. Paste special. Paste special. Transpose and OK. So that's it. Now this entire row has been switched to a column that is now in the B column. So as you can see, the data in this entire row has been switched to a column, which we have here. So that's pretty much how you can switch columns to rows, or let's say rows to columns in Excel. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.